All right, guys, here we are. I'm at Plattsburgh in Champlain, and I'm finally rigged up. I'm just going to show you guys what I got going on here. I've never been here, so I have to be ready basically for anything. I know I want to catch smallmouth, and I want a mixed bag. I want to catch some largemouth too. I'm just ready to cover the bases here. I got two drop shot rods. One's on a weedless hook. The other one's on a nose hook. Different weights. One's for vertical fishing. The other one is for something a little bit more shallow. I have a jig there. A small compact jig, more for smallmouth. Buzz bait. The chatterbait, spinnerbait, crankbait, all my power tools. What do we got? We have a jerk bait over here. I have a finesse swim bait rod. I have a wacky rig rod / Nico rod. I have a Texas rig rod. I have a Ned rig rod over here. Yeah, I'm rigged up. I'm ready to go. So figure out what they want to eat and go see if we can figure something out. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to look at my map, and I'm going to pick a spot, and I'm going to start, and we're going to start fishing. Gotta go side scan, find boulders on the side imaging. Alright, just pulled up to my second spot that I seen on the map that I wanted to run. And I pulled right up, I was side scanning. I see some good boulders on the sides on my side scan. I'm about 25 feet of water off the point right now, and I dropped my drop shot. I got on the front of my boat. I put my 360 on. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful! And I seen the fish on the sonar, and I put it right on his face. Come on, bro, let's see what you are. Oh my goodness! Woohoo! Playing games with you. Oh my god, and that is one. We need 5 of those, man. Anyway, I'm excited. First fish out of Plattsburgh for me. I fished Ticonderoga, like I said once, and did good with the largemouth, but this is a new experience, and this is going to be a really, really awesome experience. I got some hand-poured custom plastics I'm using. Talk about that later, maybe not. Whew. Down deep, 40 feet of water. I put that last fish in about 25 feet of water. This one, I pulled up onto a shallow contour squeeze on the side of an island. I was working the deeper edges of it, you know. I really figure like they're out deep, and I hit a thick patch of fish on the GPS on a really steep drop off, but on the shallow side of it, which was interesting. I didn't think the lake would fish like that. He's not that big, but just see the fish jump over there. Hammered it, man. He's got one hook. The jerk bait, man. I seen him coming up real shallow to eat bait on top of the shoal here. Oh, he spit it. It's alright. I'm not that mad. I could have taken a knee and landed that fish if we really needed to. He was a keeper. He just wasn't that big. I need his grandma. There he is. Oh man, that was strange. Oh my god. Dude, sorry. There's these little tiny guys down there. It's just, you know how there it goes. There he is. infantile fish. Now go get to be 5 pounds. That thing can't even fit on a hot dog bun, man. Man, somebody's small. Alright, we gotta get out of here. Nothing too big, but he's a keeper, and he would go in the box. What's up, guys? I am back at the hotel. I am staying one night, and I'm going to fish one more day. I had a half a day on the water today, and it got really nasty out there. A lot of rain. I had to turn the cameras off, but I did catch a lot of smaller fish, actually, towards the end there. And I spent a lot of time graphing, actually. I was on my units for a while, trying to get comfortable with the layout of the lake. Which it was pretty successful. I caught some fish, and I just really need to put this together, actually. So hopefully I'm gonna go out there tomorrow, and with a full day and a fresh state of mind, whatever I had learned today, I'm gonna apply it tomorrow. Hopefully expand on that and build a pattern. Let's see if we can put it together. All right, guys, we're back out here. Check this out. I didn't intend on this happening. I ended up really big walleye, man. Well, not small anyway. I gotta deal with him real quick. He's not really happy, and neither am I, to be honest. Ooh. What's up, buddy? All right, relax. Jeez, man. Jeez, what an ordeal. Catch you up to speed real quick. Just got out here actually about an hour ago. I have never been to this to Plattsburgh side of Champlain at all, and my research was a little limited, so kind of just doing a lot of first-hand figuring things out. Went the wrong way, ended up having to drive around for a while, wasted some gas, but at least I covered a lot of the lake. Hey, so I'm fishing now, ended up with a walleye on the first spot I pulled up with over here on this side of the lake. Smallie fishing is a little tough over there, and still trying to figure out those smallmouth. I definitely am. Just coming in shallow and just grabbing chatterbait real quick to see if there's largemouth that are on this side of Champlain. There definitely are. There's like second cast. So let's run this for a second. Let's see if I can find a big largemouth, or see if I can do something different. Look at these bluegills right here. There's a ton of them. And that's where I caught them on the chatterbait, right in that spot. They're there. Definitely there. Oh, man. I can tighten that drag, bro. Okay. Run up here real quick, catch a quick limit of largemouth. See what happens when I fish for greenfish? Man, that thing got good. Power stage hook. It's nasty. Good fish. Good fish. I'll put him in the box any day. I gotta find. I could run this. I could run this area a little bit. It's gonna get a little shallow though over on those other docks. This dock specifically I seen on the map is just a little bit deeper. Not much deeper. It's literally there's not even 2.5 feet of water under that dock. Ooh, one just missed it, man. Oh shit. Maybe, oh, there he is. There he is. He came back for it, man. Ooh, that's excellent that he came back for it. And I know how to. Ooh. He was about he was a little over 2 pounds. He was a smallmouth. 4 hours of fishing. That's what I know. That's all I know right now. 4 hours are the best 4 hours of the whole entire trip. Are gonna be right now. Ooh! Ooh! Smoked him! He's not getting off that time. Let's see what type of size quality largemouth we can find on this lake. We might have to go largemouth fishing. After all, we're about to find out right now. Oh, it's not a largemouth, man. It is a... Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm sitting here talking about. See, you just gotta fish your strength sometimes. You know what I mean? It's like I'm a candlewood. Look at that. Boom. Yo, that is a piece of meat right there, boy. I gotta keep fishing. I figured something out. Just a 4-pounder. No big deal. Oh, he's on. I was like, what is going on? It's one of those moments. What are you doing? So we came back to this rock over here, and now it's interesting how this is working. Oh, man. Oh, is that a keeper? I don't even know. I'm not going to count on them. Oh, the battery's low on this thing, babe. Oh, yes. Low battery, come on. Get him in. The casual stroll in the seat. Is he good?
He's really fucking fighting you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Good job. Well, we figured something out. Definitely figured something out here. Take care of your fish. He looks like an upper 2. He's actually probably almost 3 maybe. Good job. All right, guys. I gotta change the battery over on the camera real quick. I figured something out. It's really awesome. Was having a little bit of a hard time offshore today, actually. Maybe the conditions weren't perfect for it. I don't know. I was finding a huge clusters of bait out there, but no size at all. So I said, you know what? I have to go shallow and I have to fish my strengths. All right, so I made a huge adjustment. What I did was I grabbed one of my power tools, got a chatterbait going, and I looked for banks that actually have more steep drop-offs than other banks, because a lot of the banks are very shallow. Found a dock that was protruding more than the other docks, banged those 2 largemouth on it, and pulled up out of that spot because all the other docks around it were in 6 inches of water. So very particular how I'm starting to find these fish. And now we just came up on those smallmouth. The reason why I turned around and I didn't continue to go that way is because that way is going to be more grassy, type of banks. Over here we have very rocky banks. You see how these boulders right here come to a solid rock structure, and then that integrates out into the dirt and the softer banks like that are further down that way. Well, once we hit these the transition, the bottom density transition, that's where I found the smallmouth. And they are not small. They're not small like the ones I found in 20 feet of water. Seth Fighter talks about that a lot, actually, the overlooked shallow bite. So let's fish my strengths then. Laid into him hard, man. In 2 feet of water, bro. I'm like about to pick my buzzbait up. I'm like, oh, I can re-whack this thing with a chatterbait. Oh my goodness. Do not go nowhere. Oh my God, that's my type right there. That's just my type. That is just my type. Come here. Hey, mama. You are just my type. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. That's football right there. That's a Champlain largemouth. Catch those on a spinnerbait at Ticonderoga. I could do it here too. pull down on this spot. Come on, you're coming in the same way, bro. Just like that. Whew. All right, not quite as big as the last one, but I like hitting a pot of fish. I really like hitting pods of fish. I want to get right real quick. I don't want to take all day to do that. The fish guys are telling me to cast again. That's what's going on. We're right between that freaking cement curb right now. There he is. Yes! Man, I knew he was here. Come on, bro. I'm sorry. I'm shy. Oh, man, he's feisty. What a good one. Flapjacks. He's a good fish, though. Down. Keep your head down, bro. No, when's it gonna start?
Well, I guess technically 8. It's showing thunder and lightning right now.
Okay. That's what happens when you come to Champlain. This is what happens when you come to Champlain. Usually that's a Ticonderoga thing. The pike will tear your shit up. I don't know what's going on over here though. Working on a good bag right now, and we got some really bad weather rolling in. Apart from the rain, I need to catch a kicker. All right, guys, I was on a good bite, but I gotta get out of here. It's about to get really nasty out. I was throwing a bag together just to see how many pounds I was gonna catch, but I don't even have time to weigh them and everything else. Woo! Haha.